Did you know you could start with $0, create a digital product in minutes, and earn thousands of dollars? Sounds crazy, right?
Hell to the yeah.
Well, let me show you something. There's an Etsy seller right now absolutely killing it. She's selling a simple printable meal planner bundle for $2.19. And she has 36,858 reviews. Let's do some quick math. This product was purchased by at least 36,858 people. Times that by the $2.19 it's selling for, that's $80,719.02. Now here's the kicker. Not everybody leaves a review. And we're calculating the sale price, not even her regular price. So more likely than not, her revenue is more than double that.
Yup.
And her bundle is only 3 pages of a digital product. Now, this might seem like it would be difficult to do, but I promise you, this is a dumb, easy strategy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a printable product like this one using ChatGPT and Canva, step by step. But can you do me a real quick favor? Hit the algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like money-making content. And you do that by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new here, drop a comment and let me know so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this dumb, easy $80,000 strategy to sell on Etsy using ChatGPT. Let's go. Let me show you something you might not know about ChatGPT real quick. You can use it to instantly generate bundles of ideas. For example, instead of just asking for one meal planner template, you can say, give me 10 variations of meal planner designs tailored to busy moms, college students, and families. ChatGPT doesn't just give you one idea, it gives you options. And that means you can create multiple products, bundle them together, and sell them for even more. This strategy is how you take something simple and turn it into big profits. So for step 1, we're going to focus on choosing our product. Let's talk about what we are creating. Meal planners, grocery lists, and kitchen inventory sheets are hot on Etsy right now. And why would that be? Because especially in the beginning of a year, people are more focused on their eating habits, their health, and losing weight. So we don't have to reinvent the wheel here. We hop on what's already working, what's already trending. So to get started, open ChatGPT and type, create a 1-page meal planner template with sections for meals, snacks, and a grocery list. And it'll give you a structure in seconds. Now you have an idea of what to put on your planner. No brainstorming is required. That's the power of the dumb, easy $80,000 strategy. For step 2, we're going to take that structure that we just created over on ChatGPT over to Canva. Canva is a free tool that makes designing super easy. Choose a simple layout. Canva has a bunch of free templates like the one that I'm using here. Now, using a Canva template, remember you cannot just use their template without changing things around. So have fun with it, change the fonts, the colors, all that good stuff. I already showed you guys how to use Canva in previous videos, even in this series. So we're gonna speed it up a little bit.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
And boom, you've got your first product ready to go. Don't overthink it. Simplicity sells, y'all. People want something that's functional and visually appealing, not overly complicated. So once you have your design all done, make sure you hit download as PDF print so that people can print it out. All right, for step 3, we're going to list our product on Etsy. To list your product on Etsy, you have to first start an Etsy store. That's really easy, really straightforward. But once you have your store started, you will go to Shop Manager and then go to Listings, and then you can add a listing. And then from there, you'll choose either physical item or digital file. Of course, we're going with digital files. And then you answer the basic questions. I've gone through the whole process in this video, more on that later. But here's a pro tip. Use a title that's packed with searchable keywords like meal planner bundle with grocery list and kitchen inventory. That makes it easier for buyers to find you. Now, moving on to the description of our product. Oh, wait, you don't know how to make a description that's catchy, full of keywords, and will grab buyers' attention? We're using ChatGPT. Let's go back over to ChatGPT and generate a description for our digital product. Just type in, write a product description for a meal planner bundle, and it'll give you something polished and professional in seconds. ChatGPT has our back. Now, for the rest of your listing, I've actually spoken about how to list your products on Etsy in this video, but on Canva, they have templates for Etsy listings so that you can give people more information in the images that you're posting as well. But once you fill in all the information to list your products on Etsy, just click publish and you are good to go. Now, when you're going through your Etsy listing, you will see an option to upload your digital product into Etsy so that when people purchase it, they will automatically have access to that download. So no matter what you're doing, if you're out to dinner, if you're hanging out with your family, if you are chilling and reading a book, people can still buy that digital product from you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's passive income, y'all. Now, for those of you that don't yet have an Etsy store, I have a link down in the description where if you sign up for Etsy, you will get 40 free listings, okay? Because normally they charge about 20 cents per listing. So you will get 40 of them for free. Just use the link down below. It's not even an affiliate link. I'm just helping y'all out. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking.
Nikki, what exactly can I say to ChatGPT to make sure that I get the right results every time?
That's where my AI prompts come in. I put together a list of 60 AI prompts built to make you money. These prompts remove all the guesswork and give you exactly what you need to create products that actually sell. In the guide, I'm also letting you know how to tweak your ChatGPT so that you get the right results for you in your voice without having to constantly train it. So you will save time and make money if you use these prompts correctly. In fact, just one of the prompts in this guide earned me over $1,100 in one day. And that was within the first 3 days of me using that AI prompt. Grab my AI prompts, and that prompt that I did use to earn $1,100 in one day is in the guide. And the best part is the guide is only $7. I'm not breaking the bank here. So you figure it out if it's worth it for you. But I want to hear from you. What did you think about this dumb, easy $80,000 strategy to sell on Etsy using AI? Is this something that you think you're going to try? Have you already tried selling on Etsy? If you are going to create a digital product, what product do you think you'll try? Let's discuss it in the comments. But I need y'all to help me out. If you haven't done so already, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know that you like this type of content by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, remember, this is actually part 3 of my Making Money Using AI series. So I suggest if you like what you saw in this video, that you check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.